Welcome back to another One Monroe Minute. Today we are going to be taking a look at cord grips. Cord grips, also known as cable glands, are essential for protecting cables in a wide range of industries. They secure the cable connection to equipment, providing strain relief, sealing, and protection against environmental damage. Cord grips are used in many fields, including manufacturing, where they prevent wear and tear on automation equipment cables. In marine industries, they offer protection from water and corrosion, keeping connections safe. Construction sites rely on cord grips to shield electrical wiring from dust and debris, while telecommunications use them to secure connections in networking systems. Available in materials like plastic, rubber, or metal, cord grips ensure cables are securely fastened, safeguarding both the equipment and the workers who rely on them. From industrial machinery to outdoor power systems, cord grips are a key component in maintaining reliable and safe cable connections. To learn more about cord grips, be sure to reach out to one of our sales engineers. Thanks for watching this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future, and we will see you next time with another One Monroe Minute.